Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we got ourselves a brand new project. It's actually right over here. It's a 2015 Scion FRS and it's heavily modified. It's got a lot of modifications to it. So let's check it out. Alright guys, checking out the new build this year, 2015 Scion FRS. So it's got some modifications to it. Let's check it out. It's got upgraded. What kind of headlights are these? You know?
Spec D probably.
I think they're like Spec D headlights. We took a look under the hood. It's got some sort of what is it called? Is that unequal length open headers or something? No cats. They're catless. No check engine light, so I think it does got a tune, and it seems like it's got a cold start release. So I'm thinking the car is tuned. It might have some kind of burble tune. We're gonna test it down the road shortly. Also, check it out. Got some Raceland coilovers with some camber plates on top, so that it's lowered on some Raceland coilovers. It's got some Dohan wheels. I think they're like 8H07s. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's got these some kind of aftermarket side markers. Pretty cool. Looks like we're gonna have to repaint the mirror caps, or I don't know if this is some kind of plastic dip or some kind of crap. We're gonna have to respray that. Let's check out the interior. Really riced out. Some kind of heart hook thing. It's got some kind of, I don't know, some LED light dance thing going on. This boy got some huge paddle shifters. What else did we find in here? I don't know, we found some other stuff, but yeah, let's keep on going to the rear. It's got this duckbill, but it's unpainted. Since we're going to be spraying the car anyways, we're going to probably shoot it. We're still trying to find out what kind of exhaust this is. It looks like some kind of eBay spec diffuser. I don't know if this is gas or condensation. But yeah, this is the main damage on this side over here. The door and the fender, and then the lower skirt or pillar, and there's some frame damage up here that we're gonna have to probably replace or cut out and do some body work to it or something. But roof airbag is shot and the seat airbag, but that's pretty much it for this car. It only needs fender and a door for body, and then probably gonna blend it onto the hood and bumper as well, because we did already get a new fender, and probably blend it onto the quarter panel since we got to do this rocker anyways. And right here, so probably gonna shoot this entire side and probably gonna shoot that spoiler as well. But we already got some parts for it, so let's check it out. Man, I completely missed this little what is it, splitter they got on here. Pretty cool little neat modification car. All right, check it out. We got another one actually in here, but it's pretty much stock, so I'm not gonna record. I already did enough of them on the channel. We did get a seat for the airbag. We're probably just gonna swap over the seat. There's no tears or nothing, just a nice seat. We got a fender. This one came off a baby blue 86, I think, or maybe it was a BRZ. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was a BRZ, because we also got this door right here. It's from like a charcoal one, and windows inside of it, so probably not gonna have to swap any of the internals over. And yeah, we got the door right there. M3 side skirts right here. I'm gonna update y'all guys later in the video about the M3. And fender liners, stuff like that. So we got all the parts ready, ain't that right?
Yes, sir.
We got all the parts ready for this one right here, and might actually start tearing it down, so we might take the door and fender off. We'll see how far we get into this video. M3, check this baby out right here. It's almost done. Just need the clips for the side skirts, and I'm still trying to find some door cards from the M3. Got most of the interior put together. Still need like little minor plastic stuff like that. I need to put this thing on here, little trim. Check it out. Roof airbag is installed. Just need to throw in the back seat and minor stuff like that. But check it out, rear bumper exhaust is on here. Gotta install my sensors still. But man, check her out, she's doing really good. We got this wheel straightened out. It's just adjustable, so we just adjusted that thing right there, straightened it out. Alignment checks out, and yeah, this side's all good. We got our bumper, headlights installed. Bumper is completely assembled. Grill, air ducts, headlights, grill. This fender right here, man, this thing looks like a beast. It's gonna be on the road soon. Video coming pretty soon on that. Actually, S2000, I was making a video on it, and then some retard decided to scratch my flare. He ran into me in the parking lot and just chipped it up, but he got the insurance and everything to come out. But man, this thing is looking good. I was just doing the exhaust in the back, aligning the tips to be pretty much straight. So actually, I'm probably gonna give you a little update on this thing. We're gonna go rip it down the road. Let's go on a little rip. We'll do some inside shots, and then we'll do some outside flybys. So let's get it going. Man, this thing rips. I like everything pretty much about this car. It's a little small inside, but it'll do. So fun, it rips so hard, man. For the next video, subscribe down below. I did hit 5,000 subscribers, but we're trying to hit 6, you know, so subscribe. And hopefully next video we'll have another update. We'll do some more FRS videos and probably finish the M3. Honestly, it's almost done. We just need some minor parts. So subscribe. S2000 will be back on the channel with a 10-minute rebuild video all in one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Another break. You got your ID on you?